Young Bird, grandson, alongside Real Moment.
I've been around with my boy Young Bird. Hey, Katima Mulilo, it's wow. We run this town, wanna rock this town. Oh, dance to the beat, to the rhythm of the night. Dance to the beat, to the rhythm of the night. Katima Mulilo.
Like a finest, nevertheless, KM with the finest. Back the mother's waist, mix it with my voice, send it to the world, let the people know we situated next to the river. Man, we eat a fresh fish straight from the river. Small like a breather, time to get higher. Wanna be the tower, so I get the power. We don't have a tower, room around this town, never see a tower. Blame it on the government, blame it on the governor. But I'm here for ya, I'm rolling with my little bro. Him and I need though, we heading to the top spot where they make a lot of dough. I don't want another game, giving this a face well, face right. Hoping I'ma be there where they make a lot of dough.
Checking my passport, I went to many places and so many faces, but now I know them. It's looking like a team, 24/7, Katima in my heart. Young Bird and grandson I have from Katima. For bed always, I will in Katima. I take care of both. Every time I think of green on my tongue, when Brenda is by, I won't say Lord, cause nobody knows what happened to them. But still we stand with a lot of memories stuck in our hearts. So maybe gone but never ever over, cause their voices are ever heard over the ages of tall mountains, like fresh water from fountains.
Nigga thought I told ya to have a little patience, we got a long way to go.
Put your hands up.